Then guys, welcome back to the Project Gold trading channel. As you can see, we've completely restructured the channel because we've got a new plan in place for the future of how we're going to be teaching you guys how to trade Forex. So together, me and my team of Mo and Cash, we've come up with a nice plan for the coming months of how we're going to get content out to you guys. And the most important thing we've all agreed on is the fact that we want to tell you guys the absolute truth of what it's like to be a currency trader. Because obviously it's easy on Instagram to just upload, you see it everywhere, just upload winning trades left, right, center within a few days of each other. But, you don't see, how these guys lose or why they lose. And I think, and so do my team, that, the reasons behind losing a trade and you going back and figuring out why you lost it is more important than winning trades, because that's how you develop your strategy. It's how you develop yourself as a trader and develop more discipline. Because if you see the same setup again, you're going to be more wary of entering it based on the fact that you lost last time. So yeah, we've got some wicked content that we're going to be getting out to you guys within the next coming months. We're going to be teaching you how to do all of this. You can see I'm actually in a trade at the moment on Euro USD, which is running about 8% so far, which is incredible. So it's a 31-hour potential on this one. So you guys will be teaching you how to do this, how to analyze market structure, and how to get in these wicked entries. And for the purpose of this video, so I'm not talking rubbish. I have been taking some FTMO trials just to show you guys that what we do works. You can see 7th of March, I passed the challenge, I believe in one trade, I think it was. Let's have a look. So you can see not much drawdown. Obviously these were open just to make sure I got the minimum 5 days trading. You can see one trade, I believe this was on GJ. Yeah, it was a GJ trade, which ended up, passing the challenge for me, which is incredible. Obviously, I know this is only half of the profit target on the real account, which is why on the one that I'm doing now, I've gone for the full 10%, and I think we're just shy of that at the moment. So yeah, we're on 6.1, so we passed the 5% mark, which I'm aiming for the 10%, which if we just have a look, we're just hovering just shy of that target right now. So you guys will be taught how to do all of this, and I'm really excited for the months ahead. Got some really nice content for you guys, and this will technically be like a free YouTube course in the coming months, because we're going to really break down the markets for you guys, so for you guys to understand it as well. So it'll be like a step-by-step guide of different elements, different breakdowns, and then we'll sort of just take it from there. So I hope you guys are looking forward to this, because I know that we are as well. Got some really good videos planned, and yeah, stay tuned, because we're going to go to town on the markets, and I hope you guys can join us. All right, take it easy.